Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in my series of tiny stud earrings that you can also use the earpost for your danglers and also stand alone, I have already shown you so many designs in my previous video tutorials, and today again I have brought to you these cute little stud earrings in square shape, and I have named these earrings as square dazzle stud earrings. So here I'm showing you these earrings with green seed beads in between, and I have already made these earrings in few more colorways. The other one is in this gorgeous white color where I have used these white seed beads, and one more that I have made is in this ruby red color, and here I have used the seed beads in ruby red color. And now in today's video we are going to make these cute little dazzled square stud earrings in this gorgeous color where I have used these blue color seed beads as the center, and this is the color that is popping out of our dazzled square. So let us see what all material do we need to make this gorgeous square dazzled stud earring in blue color. Friends, for making our square desert stud earring in this gorgeous blue color, we are going to use these 11 seed beads. These are Milky Frosted Opaque Glazed Rainbow Nebula Blue 11 and these are again 11 These are Milky Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 11 and these 15 these are Milky Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 15 Here I'll be using this ear post stud of size 4 by 12 mm. I'll be working with Milky thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, for making my square dazzle stud earrings, I have picked up 4 11 seed beads in nebula blue color, and I'm bringing these down towards the end of my thread, and here I'm going to tie a double knot very carefully like this. And now like this. And this is my component, and now stepping up into the first 11 pulling in the thread, the tail in between, into the second 11 into the third 11 and into the fourth 11. Just pull in the tail and stepping up into the first one like this. And now after stepping up into the first 11, I'm picking up one 11 champagne and into this next 11 nebula blue, again picking up one 11 champagne and into the next nebula blue, picking up one 11 champagne and into the next 11 nebula blue, picking up my fourth 11 into the next 11 nebula blue. So after completing this round, you can see the look. Stepping up into the first 11 champagne that I added here, and now picking up two 11 champagne into this next 11 champagne, again picking up two 11 champagne into the next 11 champagne, again picking up the pair of 11 champagne into the next 11 champagne, and the last pair of 11 champagne into this 11 champagne, like this. Now after completing this round, I'm stepping up into these two 11 champagne, like this, picking up two 11 champagne into the next two 11 champagne, again picking up two 11 champagne into these two 11 champagne, again picking up two 11 champagne into these two 11s, the last pair of 11 champagne into these two 11 champagne. And after completing this round, this is the look. And now I'm stepping down into this 11 champagne, into this 11 nebula blue, and here I'm picking up one 15 champagne. Sorry, I have picked up three 15 champagne and into this 11 nebula blue, like this, stepping up into the two first two 15s, picking up one 15 champagne into this 11 nebula blue just opposite to the one to which I have added these 15s, like this, picking up one 15 champagne and into this 15, the middle one, like this. Down through this 15 champagne, into this 11 nebula blue underneath, and into this next 11 champagne, like this, into these two 11 champagne, so this is the front. And now here, as I'm exiting through these two 11 champagne, stepping up into this 11, one out of the two that we added here, picking up one 11 champagne into all these four 11 champagne, again picking up one 11 champagne into all these four 11 champagne, picking up one 11 champagne into all these four 11 champagne, and picking up my last 11 champagne into all four 11 champagne. So you can see the look after completing this round. So this is the front of our earring, and now we are going to add the earpost to our earring. And as I'm exiting through this 11 champagne, stepping up into these 11 the four 11 And now into this 11 champagne. Now before adding the ear post, we are going to cut the tail off. And now picking up 5 15 champagne into this next 11 champagne, again picking up 5 15 champagne into the next 11 champagne, picking up 5 15 champagne into the next 11 champagne, and the last set of 15s, the 5 15s, into the first 11 champagne, stepping up into the first 3 15 champagne of the first set, exiting through the middle one. Now here, after stepping up into this third 15 of the first set, this is the middle one. We added 5, so third is the middle one here. I'm picking up 1 15 champagne and I'm going to pass through this middle 15, again the third 15 of the next set. Again I'm picking up 1 15 champagne and into this middle 15 of the next set, picking up 1 15 champagne and into the middle 15 of the next set, picking up 1 15 champagne and into the middle 15 of the first set. So here we have created the net for our ear post, and now placing our ear post into this net, very gently we are going to close it by passing through all these 4 15 champagne that I have added just now. The 4 we added at the end here. We are just closing it, so we are not adding any bead. We are just passing through all these 4 15s. Very gently, just pull the thread here into these 4 15s. This. Now into this 15, back into this one, into this 15, into these 2 15s. You can see we have got the square at the center. So I'm passing through all these 15s. The one we added at the center and the middle one of the net. And here we have fixed the ear post, and now as I'm exiting through this 15 into the next 2 15s, and into this 15 these two 15 here, up through these two 15 and into the middle one, the three here, down through these two 15 up through these three 15 down through these two 15 up through these three 15 and down through these two 15. So here we have fixed our ear post like this. So this is the look from the back side, and this is the look from the front here. And now as I'm exiting through this 15 moving down through this 11 underneath into these two 11 and the last one, the four 11 in total, into this next 11. And now after exiting through this 11 champagne, I'm going to tie a knot between these two 11. So here, just passing this and into, very carefully, you have to tie a knot here, one more knot, into these 11s, couple of more 11s, and here we are going to cut the thread off. So friends, here we have completed our cute little square dazzle stud earrings in this gorgeous blue color. And let us just go through the other colorways that I had already shown you in the beginning of the video. The one with green seed beads, that is in green color. The blue that we just made in this video. Then this with ruby red seed beads, and the other one with white seed beads. So here are the four colorways in this gorgeous square dazzle stud earrings. And you can also use these as ear post stud for your danglers, and I'll be showing this in my next videos. And you can also wear these as standalone stud earrings. So friends, if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.